When I saw this plot of land in the month of September, it was all lush green water because of monsoon season. So we said, let's buy this land and we will grow vegetables. When the sale transaction happened and came here in the month of February and March, there was literally nothing, not a single drop of water. As our neighbor told us, there's a Chas Command dam nearby. Just lay a pipeline and bring water and you will get as much water as you want. But somehow that thought of laying a 6-7 kilometer line pipeline up to this distance, lifting water from the dam just so that I could grow vegetables for home, somehow it didn't appeal. So then we turned our attention to rainwater harvesting. 2013, when this hole was originally dug, we had great pre-monsoon showers and this hole filled up. And next morning I came here to do some photography and I was kind of shocked to see that by the time I reached here, the entire water was gone. It was as if the hole was dry all over again. So our attempt to store water completely failed. But something good happened, that instead of water flowing down the drain, it actually percolated in the ground. And it took 3 years for the rainwater to percolate through those holes before we started seeing water in this well and water in this hole. So 2016 is the very first time when we saw signs of water here and in that well. And since then, the water level has just been going up and up. We had done a biodiversity survey of this area back in 2000, I remember 13 or 14, 15, some of that at that window. And at that time, around 15 bird species were spotted in this area. We got a similar survey done last year. And in this survey, we found more than 85 different varieties of birds in this area. So you can see the bird number has gone up from 15 to 85. And typically birds are a very good indicator of the health of a biodiversity system, because there is a habitat for them, there is food for them, there are insects which they can feed on and so on. So that whole chain of food chain has got created here. We are creating a habitat where beyond humans, the butterflies, the insects, the birds can also find home and share a piece of earth along with the humans. Jan 2020 is when our neighbor offered his land to us, saying, take the land and plant whatever you want. And we planted around 750 plus trees in his land. So here is an interesting story where a piece of land which was deliberately being burned every year now is hosting trees. Farmer who has given the land is happy because he is going to get the produce. He has stopped burning the land. As a result, the fire which used to spread from here and burn this entire jungle every year, that process has stopped. And as a result, the jungle is regrowing. And everybody is a happy, citizen here.